have 2 seconds because my kids are coming over. Okay, so I wanted to show how I like to brush out my wigs, because with wigs, you have to have like really wide brushes, right? Wow, look at me. Okay, anyways, to brush out a wig. So I've brushed this side out and it's beautiful, right? Gorgeous. Look how ugly this is. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but like it's all matted up top, and it's not matted, but it's on its way. You know what I'm talking about? Make sure everyone is not gonna be here. Don't be here. And this is a head scratcher. It's perfect. And look, I can go like this, and I can be like really delicate up top and very particular. This was in the back of my car, by the way, which is why it's so terrible. But it goes through enough, but it releases enough that it's like not destroying my wigs. And then I just spray maybe something that I'm not supposed to. I don't know. If you know anything about wigs, tell me if you know if this is okay. This. Okay, I use this Burt's Bees cat spray. I don't know why. So then I do that. And then I'm just gonna do this to the front and the back, in the front and the back. Oh God, my Tourette's getting bad when it's naughty. And I'm not supposed to be saying naughty words. Okay. Gorgeous. Okay. Ready to see what it looks like. Okay, I'm still not very good at this. I feel like somebody from White Chicks. I am a white chick. What am I talking about? Okay, and then I just need to put this wig on. Okay, so this is how White Chicks were able to get ready for the sleepover in like 2 seconds. You know what I'm talking about? Oh my God, I can't do it. Anyways, yeah, that's the finished look. And I know that it looks a little bit funky. Okay, just leave me. And I know that it kind of washes me out. Black is definitely better. But like, look at how nice this is. Oh my God, I don't even know. But yeah, if you're not using a head scratcher to do some wig maintenance, then just try it out and let me know. But I do like to have my headphones on at all times. Oh, and let's see how much hair I lost out of the wig total. Is that all of it? Okay, let's see how much hair I lost. Whew. This much. Against my shirt, this much. That's it. Anyways, love you, bye.